Okay, today we're here at Knott's Berry Farm. It's in between Berry Farm and Peanut Celebration. And I went to the Ghost Town Bakery and got their chicken gumbo soup. So their soups change, every day almost. So this has looks like it's got rice in it, celery, maybe tomatoes, and probably a bunch of other stuff. And probably chicken, I would assume. I think that's the chicken piece. I was chicken. Or maybe some onions. It's slightly spicy. Piping hot too. Yeah, it's just a little bit spicy. So but you have to be really, really sensitive to spiciness to think this is really spicy. It's just a little bit spicy. But yeah, this is actually pretty good. It does have a lot of vegetables and a lot of chicken, so it's almost like a whole meal. It's nice on a cold day like today. It's not rainy, but it was rainy yesterday. So anyways, yeah, I think I'm gonna give this one. I think I'm gonna give it an A. They make good soups here. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell, and click on all to get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm gonna take another bite. I'll see you in the next one. Okay. Almost fell out.